Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 72 Monte Carlo with a numbers matching 402 under the hood. Let's take a look. Look at this beautiful car, man. I love the color on it. It's got a light metallic in it and it is beautiful, man. You can see that the chrome up front's all looking good, the grill's in good shape, the trims here on the headlights are all in decent shape. Now those actually look original to the car. Very, very nice for 1972 model right there. As you look down the side, you can see the body work is nice and straight. You can see all the reflections are looking good. It's got stock appearing wheels and tires. It's got some brand new BFGs on it. Looking beautiful. That black vinyl top's looking sweet. She is gorgeous. Look at this interior, my favorite interior for a muscle car. Black bucket seats. Staple shifter in that center console's looking good. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. The carpeting's in beautiful shape. She's got seat belts in the back seat. Package tray, headliner, dome light, shoulder belts. Everything looking good on this baby. These are very, very rare. Now I go to all the car shows, all the sales, very, 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 never see one of these babies. This thing is sweet. Look at this door jamb here. That door latch looks like it's new. As you can see down that big long quarter panel, looking sweet. Got great looking chrome on that back bumper. You can see the trim here coming off the tail lights. All of this is in beautiful shape. Like I said, it's very rare to see one of these babies. Look inside that trunk. Look how nice and clean all that is. A lot of attention to detail on this car. You can see all the gutter work here, all the paint work there. I see some numbers stamped in there. I can also see that the lips on the deck lid are in beautiful shape. The paint on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. And as you look down the side of it, man, she's straight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beauty, so you know we did our homework before we picked it out. Then the first thing that we do to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them, take pictures, do our videos, so we can show you exactly what type of dream we're gonna park in your driveway. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He can answer all your questions. Now you're catching us on YouTube right now, and if you wanna see more cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button so you get a notification every time we post a new video. All right, let's take this Monte Carlo for a ride. This thing is sweet, guys. She is a beauty. Driving smooth, big block under the hood. Go to any car show, you're gonna be the hit of the show with this baby, I guarantee. Not very many of these left on the earth. You can see those reflections in that beautiful blue paint on the hood, looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about it. Also, while you're talking to Tom about shipping this car, talk to him about the one he used to own. I'm not sure whether it was his first car or not, but I know he used to have one of these babies. And it's a special place in his heart, and I know there's a lot of people out there that got a special place in their heart also. This baby's got the numbers matching big block up front. Now we can help you with financing too if you need help with financing. Tom's got several bankers that we work with. We can either hook you up with the banker on the phone, or you can fill out an app online. Just go to our website at VanguardMotorsales.com. You can check it out on the dash down here. The dash looks great. 1972, baby. She's still looking good. Looks like the speedo's working. The gas gauge is working. The clock I see is going tick-tock, but I doubt it keeps time. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. Of course, I'd never listen to radio when I'm in a muscle car. Looks like it's all hooked up. She's a beauty, guys. Now, if you'd like to come visit us, we would love to have you. Even though about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, we do enjoy having our customers come in and meet us at the shop. You can check out all the inventory. And we're close to the airport if you need to fly in. We'll even come down on Saturday if you want to come out on a Saturday. Just give Tom a call, let him know you're coming. If you want to send an inspector, we will treat the inspector just like we treat you. Now, we are about to do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes up on the lift. So stick with us. That's what we're going to do right now. We're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side of this one is. Here's our main facility at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So make sure you stay with us, and we're going to put it in the air right now. All right, we're underneath the Monte now, and you can see, look at that trunk floor. Look at the paint on there, looking sweet. The frame's all painted up. The exhaust is brand new. In this 12 bolt, we got right around a 273 gear. It is an open rear end. Everything back here is nice and clean, looking good. We got a sway bar here. The guys pull all the brakes apart on every car, make sure they're in good working order. We got good looking flow masters here. The frame's all painted up nice. The floorboards up here all look beautiful. They're all painted up, looking good. Of course, the exhaust is still brand new here. The brake lines are looking good. The fuel lines are looking good. Everything under here is pretty. You might have to get you some mirrors and show off the bottom side. It's got to be one of the nicest bottoms on one of these I've ever seen. Numbers Matching Turbo 400. That's a 3-speed automatic for those of you who don't know. Disc brakes up front, and again, the guys will check those all out, make sure they're in good working order. Everything under here is clean. Sway bar up front. The guys will check out the steering gear too. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Chrome on the front bumpers looking good. Looks like I got a brand new high pressure line here going to the power steering. These tires definitely look like they're fairly new. We've got, let's see if I can find the size here somewhere. There it is. 245/60/15s on some great looking rally wheels. We got good looking chrome or stainless down here. We got good looking paint right down to the bottom edge of the pinch weld. You always got to look at this. Run your hand on the back side. Make sure it's in good shape. This one's in beautiful shape. Now out back here, let's see what size we got back here. Looks like 245/60/15s back here also. You can see this beautiful blue paint. That molding there is also looking good. You can see they took the paint work right down to the bottom edge. Now let's get under the hood. Under the hood here we have the Numbers Matching 402. Sitting on top of that 402 is a period correct replacement 4-barrel carburetor. Looks like the intake's correct. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds on it. And look at that evaporator case here for the AC. All restored, looking just like it came out of the factory. Firewall's looking good. AC compressor's looking good. Power brakes, power steering, everything looking good. And look at that fan shroud. Look at that, beautiful. I'll tell you what, Can't wait for you to get this to a car show and show this baby off. You can see even the fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood's been replaced. It's got a brand new Delco battery in it. Look at all the paint work here, all the detail work, everything looking sweet on this baby. I'll tell you what, this is a real prize right here, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.